I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can use Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars. Now, for example, here I'm on Brawl Stars, right? And I want to buy a battle pass here, for example. Now if I go to the bottom section here, and you can see there's a battle pass here, I'm going to click on Get. Now on Get here, I'm just going to press on one of these buttons. I don't really care. I'm just going to pick on this one, for example. Now it'll open up a pop-up. Now you can see transaction is pending. Let's just wait. And you can see it'll pop up like this. This is a Google Play payment method, right? Now, if you can see, if I scroll down like here, you can see there's a couple of methods that we can use, like pay at a lot of these different stuff, but let's just keep scrolling down. Now, once you scroll all the way down, you can see there is an option to redeem the code. Just tap on that and you can see you can either enter the code or we can scan the gift card like that, right? Now, this would be in the right time for you to scratch off your gift card to reveal the code. And then after that, you can enter in the code manually, or you can scan it with your camera to do it automatically. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.